Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Picsart and importing your image. Now, once loaded, immediately crop and straighten to frame the subject. Choose one for social or 16:9 for widescreen. Duplicate the base layer so you can always revert. Name this duplicate edit to stay organized. Next, glance at exposure and white balance as your first actionable tweaks. Adjust by eye to preserve highlights. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits. This prevents losing the original. Now you move into detailed corrections. Open tools, then adjust and fine-tune exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and temperature to balance the image. Once done, select healing to remove blemishes. Use the brush at low strength for natural results. For compositing, add new layers and choose blend modes, lower opacity to soften effects. Use a mask to reveal edits selectively. Paint black to hide, white to reveal. Keep checking overall tones, so skin and background remain consistent. To finish, apply selective sharpening and final color tweaks. Use details sparingly, around 10 to 25 so you avoid halos. Once satisfied, tap Export. Pick PNG for maximum quality or JPG at 80% to save space. Set resolution to original or higher for prints. Save to device and back up to cloud. If something goes wrong, immediately undo or revert to the duplicated layer, then reduce the offending effect's opacity. This simple rollback fixes most issues without starting over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.